Let's attack! Okay, seek and destroy. Oh god, okay. Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, damn! My cats went nuts! There. Go on, kitty! Oh. No! No! This is not happening! Yeah! Get down, son! No! No! He's so injured now! Alright, fire! Oh. Aha! You missed! Ah! Damn it! God damn it! My ship! He's almost dead! Die! God damn it! No! He had a family, Robo! He had a family. Die! Ah, yeah. Okay. Right here. Right here. No, wait. Oh, wait. Here! Ha! Damn it! You missed! Mwahaha! Yeah! Okay. I will cover this road. Yeah, get down, son! You ain't got nothing. Ow! Wah! Alright, so... Ow! No! Ah, yeah. Alright, we're going, this one. And then we're going this one. Die! Oh, god damn it. Oh, he's here. Right here. Damn it. Where are your ships? Your ships are nowhere to be found. I have discovered your ship, fine salesman. Yeah! Get down, hail to the king, baby. Damn it. Must be here. Ow! Why you hurt me, man? Right here. Yeah, that's right. Here. Yeah! No, it's this one. Woo! This one. Attack! Yeah! Okay. Okay. What does that do? Oh, he's right there! No! He was right there! Sad face. Alright, let's try that again. That was fun. Alright, play along. It's fine. Alright, I want to move these. You're gonna move there. You're gonna move there. You're gonna move there. You're gonna move... Like, no, you're gonna actually move next to him. And you're gonna just move... Okay, let's battle! Okay, there! Damn it! Here! Fire! Fire, kitty! Oh, I think I hit him! Oh, yeah! Alright. Fire! Get down, submarine! Hail to the might of Rome! Get down! He's right there. He's right there, then. Get down! Come on! Come on! Robo, you're going to die! Oh, got him! This one. No. This one? Damn it. Scout it. Go for it. Damn it. Get him. Yes. Oh, this must be his main one. Come on, die! That's right, Blastoise. Alright, so he must be in this area now. Where are you, ship? Show me your might, ship. That's right. Is it this? It must be, right? No. Where's your ship? Yeah! You just got sunk. Alright. Final round. Who will win? Me or Robo? Let's play alone again. Random place here. Ready. That's fine. Alright, in the middle. Yeah! Damn it. Die! That's right. Got you right there. And then I'll get you right here. Come on. Yeah! Get down, hamster. He's an idiot. No. Yes. No.
Don't sink my battleship.
Oh, I found him. I found him. Oh, he's there. He's there. That's right. What? This is missions. What this one? Yeah! Oh, there's two of them! He's an idiot! Yeah! That's right, 7. There you go. Oh! Bound chicka wow. That's what my kitty said. Oh, this one? Damn it! This one. Yeah, that's right. Get some. Damn it! Oh. No! It's this one! Come on! No! It's this one then! Bam! And then last one. Yeah! So thank you guys for watching this, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. And yeah, this is a lot of fun. Man, cool. And can we just say, rest in peace all the hamsters that died on this day. See you tomorrow, guys. Goodbye.